Introducing the 2025 Kia Stinger, a perfect fusion of performance and elegance, built for those who crave excitement. The 2025 Stinger boasts a refreshed design that's both aggressive and sophisticated. The signature tiger nose grille is now sharper, paired with sleek LED headlights that carve through the night with precision. Its aerodynamic profile, with sculpted lines and a fastback roofline, is designed not just to turn heads, but to enhance performance on the open road. At the rear, the Stinger features an integrated spoiler, bold LED taillights that add to its aggressive appearance, and quad exhaust tips that emit a deep, throaty growl, letting everyone know this car means business. Step inside the 2025 Stinger, where luxury meets sport. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, from the soft-touch surfaces to the performance leather seats that provide both comfort and support for spirited driving. The driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from performance stats to navigation. The flat-bottom steering wheel offers a sporty feel, with controls at your fingertips. The Stinger's advanced infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available Harman Kardon sound system, ensuring you stay connected and entertained no matter where the road takes you. Under the hood, the 2025 Stinger offers a choice of powertrains, including a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering an exhilarating 368 horsepower and 376 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Stinger rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. Equipped with available all-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension, the Stinger handles corners with precision, offering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. The 2025 Kia Stinger, a car that delivers performance, luxury, and style in equal measure. It's more than just a sedan, it's a statement.